Aquaus 360 for faucet easily installs on standard faucets or RV's faucets that have a removable aerator in less than 5 minutes without tools or a plumber. If your faucet has a standard removable aerator with male or female aerator threads, like on this faucet, then you should easily be able to install the Aquaus 360 for faucet in less than 5 minutes. The Aquaus for faucet will not install on faucets that do not have a removable aerator, such as pull-out faucets, spout faucets, shower pipes, bathtubs. Your bidet for faucet kit includes everything you need for easy installation, including the Aquaus 360 spray wand, 2.5-inch and 5-inch spray heads, 5-inch extension, and spray plate removal tool for 1/2-inch and 1-inch spray patterns. The faucet adapter with built-in aerator and easy diverter lever, male thread adapter, the sprayer holder and tank clip, and 96-inch stainless steel stay-flexed spray hose, which stays completely flexible when pressurized. This faucet has male threads, so the Aquaus diverter valve will screw on the faucet just as you received it. If your faucet has female threads like this faucet, where the threads are up inside the faucet spout, you will need to use the included male thread adapter and screw it in your faucet's female threads. Some faucets have a different type of aerator. These are referred to as cache aerators. Cache aerators can be identified by the O-ring seal located around the outside bottom of the threads, compared to regular aerators that create a seal from a flat washer located on top or around the inside of the threads. To remove a recessed cache aerator, you will need an aerator key, which you should have received with the faucet. If you do not have the aerator key, you may find the complete set of cache aerator removal keys at your local hardware store for around $5. If you have a regular aerator that will not easily unscrew by hand, you may need to use pliers to loosen it. Place a small rag piece of rubber or leather around the aerator to protect the finish and loosen the aerator. You should be able to finish removing it by hand once the aerator is removed from the faucet. Before installation, be sure the rubber washer is in the diverter valve swivel nut before screwing on the faucet's aerator male threads. Be sure to put the washer in the top of the male thread adapter before screwing in the faucet's female threads. Then, screw the diverter valve on the male thread adapter. Next, screw the hose nut on the diverter valve's 1/2-inch male threads. First, remove the hose nut's plastic protective covers before installing the hose on the faucet and sprayer. Before screwing the hose nut on the diverter valve, make sure the washer is in the hose nut. Now, screw the sprayer on the hose nut, also making sure the washer is in the nut. Next, place the assembled sprayer holder with stainless steel tank clip over the edge of the tank. The stainless steel clip can be bent to fit tight on the tank wall. Next, hang the pre-assembled toilet tank clip and spray wand holder over the edge of the tank under the lid. The sprayer holder can also be mounted on the other side of the tank for left-handed users, or mounted on the wall by removing the stainless steel clip. The screw and wall mount assembly are not included, but available at all hardware stores. The spray wand head fits in the holder like this. Just be careful not to turn the levers on as you hang the sprayer in the holder. To prevent leaking, if you did accidentally turn on the levers when placing the sprayer in the holder, always remember to turn off the faucet after use of the bidet and divert the water back into the faucet. Last, turn on the faucet and divert the water to the sprayer and check for leaks. Before using the bidet, here are a few tips on how to set the water temperature for safe and easy use. First, when you go in the bathroom to use the bidet, turn the hot water on all the way. Once the hot water arrives, turn off the hot water and turn the cold water on fully. Then, turn the hot water on just enough for your preferred water temperature. It is also recommended to let a small stream of water flow from the diverter valve after you divert the water to the sprayer to maintain constant warm water temperature. Setting the water like this will prevent scalding, which can happen if a toilet or faucet is turned on somewhere else in the home while you are using the sprayer. Next, always turn off the faucet and divert the water back to the sink after each use of the bidet. Even though the Aquaus 360 for faucet, toilet, and shower are made to be pressurized, and many years of trouble-free use, the sprayer should never be left under pressure when not in use, just in case there was ever a leak. Last, before you order the Aquaus for faucet, see if your faucet has the correct size male or female aerator threads to fit the Aquaus diverter valve thread. The Aquaus diverter valve nut will fit 90% of faucets with a removable aerator. In case the threads on your faucet aerator are not the correct size, please send us an email to help@rinseworks.com along with a picture of the removed aerator from your faucet. This will help us quickly identify the type of faucet adapter you require. Or take your aerator to your local plumbing or hardware store. They should have a sizing board you can screw your aerator into that will display the correct thread size. As you see here, this aerator screws into the male 1/2-inch threads, so the 1/2-inch female thread adapter will work on your faucet. Last, if your faucet aerator threads will not fit one of the thread adapters, you can also replace your faucet with one of the faucets that fits the Aquaus diverter valve. Replacing your faucet is not difficult, or you could hire a plumber for about $150. But remember, using the Aquaus will pay for itself by saving about $90 per year on toilet paper, which will cover the cost of replacing your faucet and your Aquaus 360 purchase.